Hello, everyone. My name is Shiloh Thomas from Veritas Product Marketing, and I'm excited to announce the availability of Veritas Alta Information Governance. And joining me today for this announcement is Amey Jambotkar. He is the Product Manager for Information Governance and Data Insight. Welcome, Amey.
Thanks, Shiloh. Happy to be here.
I'm so glad you're here as well. So how about we jump right in? Information governance, Amey. What's all the buzz about? What do you have to share with us about this new service?
Yeah, indeed. When I'm talking to our customers, complying with data privacy regulations and governance and safeguarding data integrity are some of the key challenges that I've been hearing from them. Globally, 130 plus countries as of today have enacted legislations for data protection and data privacy. With unified governance, organizations can simplify the process of ensuring regulatory compliance while mitigating risks to their sensitive data. To help our customers to achieve that, we are now launching a fully managed service in the cloud, Alta Information Governance. It will enable our customers to ensure data compliance, data privacy, data security to help them become resilient to breaches, thefts, and to prevent hefty fines and reputational damages.
Now, I heard you say fully managed, and since this is a cloud-based SaaS solution, I'm assuming that there are no overheads to manage. Is that right?
Yep, that's right. Alta Information Governance shares the same unified platform as our other data compliance and governance services, namely Alta eDiscovery and Alta Surveillance. The service will help customers capture, analyze, classify, archive, and remediate data all from a single pane of glass in the cloud. This gives flexibility to our customers to manage their data estates from a centralized management console, while the data might be residing in the cloud or on their devices within their own perimeter behind guarded walls.
You mentioned a few key capabilities: capture, analyze, classify, archive. What sets those features apart from what customers may be using today?
Yeah, definitely. I'll give you references of what our customers have been talking about with the preview version that we had already out there in the market, right? As in some of the top features that the customers have been using, and the biggest one is having complete observability into the data, including the user activity. That's one of the topmost thing that our customers are liking about. Apart from it, we are tapping into 320 plus built-in classification policies as they stand today. And these policies have been vetted and co-created with industry leaders to ensure complete compliance and definitely ease of use as well.
That's great to hear, because it definitely needs to be easy to use. For those customers who are trying to stay compliant with their local regulatory mandates, how does Veritas Alta Information Governance help them with that?
Yep. I'll take an example of one of the reports that was published by ESG Group. Organizations expect 40% growth in their data year on year, and 35% of it is expected to contain sensitive information. With regulatory focus on data privacy and hefty penalties imposed by regulatory bodies in terms of lapses, there's increased focus on staying compliant. And as per one of the studies that Veritas has conducted, 52% organizations face rising compliance costs with fines ranging up to $350,000. Non-compliance is definitely not cheap. Alta Information Governance helps customers with complete observability into their data estate, simplifies adherence, and implement necessary controls to safeguard their data.
You know, you just mentioned, Amey, simplifying regulatory adherence. And continuing on that theme of keeping pace with regulations, I'm thinking about scaling and how difficult it is knowing that there are regulations popping up all over the globe. And according to the IAPP, we know that organizations are definitely struggling to maintain compliance amongst all of those changes. So how would Veritas Alta Information Governance, Amey, help our customers manage that change and the new regulations that continue to arise?
You're right. As in staying relevant to current market trends and the needs of our customers is always our priority. And our product strategy is aligned to keep pace with this change in terms of regulations, compliance mandates, and so on. Our 120 plus Alta capture connectors that we have today already provide a broad visibility, and we keep on incrementally adding more release after release. Likewise, from a governance and compliance perspective, we co-create and vet our compliance policies with the industry leaders and customers to keep them up to date and relevant so that our customers are not required to do so.
Now, switching gears just a bit, certainly with digital technology, there's a growth of data being stored, maintained, and that translates into, well, frankly, increased cloud storage costs. So for our customers who are concerned about the mounting cloud storage, how do you think Veritas Alta Information Governance solves for that?
Storage was cheap once, but definitely cloud storage is not cheap. As data proliferates, there are increasing cost pressures on organizations to control their storage costs, specifically in cloud. Storage or cloud admins do not have complete visibility into data that resides in cloud. Who actually owns it? Who is using it? What's the value? And what are the risks involved? Alta Information Governance is going to shine the light on the dark data. It will let customers know what they hold, what is stale, what is business critical, and what is sensitive. It would let them monitor the usage and consumption of the information and accordingly help them devise the data dispersion strategies. They would be able to retain the business critical information and active information, archive the stale but not so important, and confidently delete the redundant, obsolete, and trivial data. Optimizing the storage utilization and having the right data lifecycle policies, organizations would be able to embark on green IT initiatives as well, wherein they can overall improve their carbon footprint.
So while we may want to keep data for a variety of purposes, it can really be risky holding on to it. Not every situation would we want to keep and maintain that data. And certainly knowing all the data where it is, especially as it relates to the trends in data security today, is really important. And top of mind for many of our customers are the rising threat of breaches, ransomware, data exfiltration attempts. Amey, would Veritas Alta Information Governance help our customers become more resilient in the face of these attacks?
As they say, no organization is immune to cyber attacks today. It is all about how one can stay resilient to these attacks and how we can ensure the impact is minimal. With Alta Information Governance, all organizations would be able to uncover the dark data and minimize the breach risks by limiting access to critical data only to the authorized person. And it will also help in receiving near real-time notifications whenever the anomalies are detected. Moreover, as this report suggests, the recent sophisticated attacks have shown attackers are taking the data leak prevention solutions to exfiltrate data. With information governance, they would be complementing these solutions with the help of activity monitoring and real-time alerting. As an afterfact, Alta Information Governance can also help present the information of the impact release and help organizations take a call on the materiality of the impact.
Amey, all of this sounds really exciting. Certainly hits on a number of key objectives that our customers are trying to solve for. So how would one get started? Where should they go for more information?
Yeah, definitely. I've been getting a lot of customer requests and requests from the field asking for a preview and how they can get their hands on with Alta Information Governance. I have a good news for them. Alta Information Governance is now generally available. To know more or to get oneself onboarded, I would request them to reach out to their account executives or leave their contact details on our website, and we'll return them with a call to take this forward.
Very good. Well, thank you so much, Amey, for joining me in this announcement of our cloud-native information governance. We're really excited and looking forward to connecting with each of you. Thanks again, Amey.